Hey y'all, YouTube community. I'm here from Austin, Texas to share about my life journey from being lost to found and still growing, discovering, and I'm happy. And I'm succeeding in becoming the best version of myself. So I can give my gift to the world. Now, I came to the US in 1986. I was 11 years old, alone. And for the first 10 years, I grew up here without much family support. Bunch of tough things happen, but hey, life happens, shit happens, and you move forward. Now, I'm not telling you this for sympathy. I'm sharing this with you because for a long time I was losing ground. Wrong circles, wrong roads, wrong belief system. And the voice in my head was just screaming at me, echoes of all those who gave up on me, nonstop loop of failures, telling me that this is how it would end. But I didn't become a statistic. I didn't become a cautionary tale. I kept getting up, and it took until my 40s, yes, my 40s, before I finally figured out, how to build something real. I graduated college, built multiple six-figure careers I'm proud of, a life I built with my own hands and with the help, of a force greater than myself. Call it God, call it the universe, call it whatever resonates with your soul. I believe the goal of life is to build a cathedral of a life, stone by stone. And one of the greatest personal development books I ever read, The Way of the Superior Man by David Data, taught me something powerful about authentic living. Yes, there's also The Way of the Superior Woman by Scarlett Brand. Now, I haven't read that book, the women's book, but the point is, they're making is universal. Your gift, our gift to the world, requires brutal honesty with ourselves, but self-compassion is a must as well. It requires turning every stone and unburying the dormant talents within us. And that's how I understand it. That's my interpretation. So when I say superior, I don't mean superior to other people. I mean superior to who we were yesterday, who you were last month or last year. That's the kind of superior I'm talking about for both men and women. And here's the part nobody says out loud. I'm still growing. And guess what? You're still growing. And if you're not on the path yet, get on it, grow, because your life is calling you forward for growth and happiness. Believe me, I'm not on top of the, I'm not on the top, not even close yet, but further than I have ever been before. I'm on the road less traveled. That book by M. Scott Peck inspired me in my 20s. Back then, I mostly understood it intellectually, but not in my heart. Now I'm, learning it to embody it every day in my life. So I'm still climbing right now, today, and hopefully with you. So if you think it's too late, you're lying to yourself. I thought it was too late at 40. I was wrong. And you are wrong too if you hold on to the same belief. So the only thing that matters is whether you're willing to do the work. So if you're young, let me save you some of the years I lost. And if you're like me, if you woke up at 40, 50 or beyond and wondering if the window closed, it didn't. Come with me. Let's walk this road together. And so this is a space where I share with brutal honesty, and that's what I have learned and what I'm still learning as I continue to climb. And hopefully you'll share honestly as well. You're not alone on this road because I'm on the same life track as you, my friend. So come walk with me, subscribe, tell me where you're at on the road, and let me meet you there. Let's do this together.